So one of the things about smallholding, as I said previously, is you're doing continuous improvement. And this particular triangle, even though it's quite small, it gives me a lot of pleasure. So it was an area where we used to store our round bales of silage for feeding the animals in the winter. And I said, okay, we're going to discontinue that practice. We're going to tidy up the whole area, and we're going to let this triangle, we're going to do something for nature here in this triangle. So what I did was we cultivated the area very lightly, and I sowed a multi-species cover crop. So I've got about 30 different species in here, and you can see butterflies, you'll see insects, you'll see lots of bees, and this is my kind of little biodiversity corner. So you have to visualize that I have a very small holding, but yet I want to do something specific for biodiversity here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this little triangle, it's a tiny, tiny area, it's less than 1/4 of an acre. I'm going to let it run through its full cycle. So I seeded it, it was in flower, it now is producing seed heads, and then I'm going to leave it until next May. And basically any time over the next 12 months that you come up here, there will be an array of insects and birds feeding in this little corner.